Hey everyone, big hello to you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a big flower like this one, using these wonderful lilies out of paper. Guys, this flower is made from these templates. Now I'm going to show you how to make them. Here they are. They're made very easily. To start, we take our sheet of paper and make a square out of it. We've made a square, and it looks like this diagonally. Now we take these ends here. We fold up there at the end. Then we turn them and unfold here, like this, one side. And the other side, for those who are interested in more detail, more slowly. Here's the link. I made a flower like this. We fold the tips. Here's what we end up with, and now we fold these edges. We fold it right here. After that, we take it like this. We fold it carefully and gently, taking it precisely by these parts with our hands. And here we stick it, together with tape. That's it. So we end up with this kind of template for one flower. We need 5 of these templates. We take it and stick one piece together using the same tape, right here. The edge of the tape, actually, underneath. Stuck together to the second part, and we stick them together with tape here, the adhesive, the center, these ones. Don't touch it. We glued it here and taped it at the bottom so they don't unfold. So I'm gluing one part, made of 3 parts. I stick another one here, and the second part I glue together from 2 pieces and insert it here. And that's it, guys. Now I insert these 2 parts right here. I make it tighter and fold the tape, and I stick it together, and with the second piece of tape I'm going to stick it here now, and we'll have something like this. Here we have a flower. Here we have these wonderful flowers. After I've made all of them, I have 10 of them. Here are 5. And the rest, there are 2 red ones, the others are white. Now we need to stick them together like this first. We glue these like this, and then we insert them on top. We glue this one, and we do the same with the others. I'm going to do this using this double-sided tape. I cut strips of this tape, but I don't stick them on the petals here. Along the edge, and then I'm going to stick them together. These are our flowers. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use regular glue, or another glue to make you wait. Or you can just use a stapler to clip them together. This is how I do it, like this. Brook. Oh! Staples along the edge. And so they go around. I stick the finishing flower on. I peel off this strong, good double-sided tape. And I glue it a bit like this, pulling it together. And so our flowers hold on firmly. And this is how they look. This is very, in my opinion, very beautifully turned out, and I will also take it now. I'm going to glue this little flower right here on top. I got a beautiful one for the shelf. Here is one huge one in 2 days. And I'm doing the same procedures with the second ones, then we'll flip them over like this and glue them together. We ended up with 2 of these wonderful ones. Cooking huge, with flowers now and late with you. So we'll flip them over and glue them together, but we won't just glue them like that. We have some small gaps left here, and we're going to make 4 more of these flowers from white paper. Together we will have a huge beautiful warsaw. And here it is. We have such a wonderful New Year's beautiful one. This bouquet turned out like this. This is what I think it's called. Kusudan. It's Japanese origami. Such a big beauty. You can hang it in your home, decorate with it, make a few of them, and it will look really nice.